Hi there, Michael with Open Book Build here. Based on the number of signups we're currently getting for our Owner Builder online course, it looks like a bunch of people are looking for a more affordable home option in today's frenzied housing market. So today, I want to share with you a house plan that has some serious style, while at the same time it's relatively easy to build. In other words, if you're planning on becoming an owner builder and you're looking for a plan that's easier to build, this might be it. In this video, I'll show you all the details of this plan while talking about what makes it more affordable and easier to build for the owner builder. So before we take a walk through the house and talk about the building costs or the cost to build, let's take a look at the key items that make this plan good for an owner builder. First, we've got a walkout basement. Now this house design is perfect if your lot has a nice slope to the rear. This allows us to drop that rear-facing foundation wall and add a door to the exterior and add windows for extra light. Essentially, this adds a third floor to the house at a crazy affordable price. And for the owner builder that's a little bit handy, this basement finish would be an easy project to tackle after the main home is complete. I like the fact that the basement can be isolated from the rest of the house, so if construction takes a little bit longer because it's a DIY project, that's okay. I also like that simple rectangular shape to the home's footprint. By eliminating the jogs in those walls, we simplify the construction process. And take a look at that A-frame roof. That's a crazy simple layout that is almost impossible to mess up. We've got a main roof plane, a simple porch roof, and then two bedroom dormers that add light, ventilation, and the required escape for those upstairs bedrooms. And because we have the A-frame roof, we've eliminated the need for full walls on that second floor, which cuts out some additional costs. Now let's take a walk through the home to see what it looks like. As we step inside, we see the open concept with high vaulted ceilings. That huge wall of windows really washes that main living area with natural light. And I like that corner fireplace built in with an energy efficient direct vent gas unit to eliminate the fireplace chase. We've got a nice railing on the stairs going to the second floor, but we can save a few bucks by going with a framed knee wall instead if you like. For the kitchen, we see a ton of cabinets and countertop space. Again, we could cut back on cost if we cut back on those, but the storage and prep space in that standard plan would be really nice to have. Now that huge island is great for adding additional seating to the kitchen. All those windows on that rear wall of the living space would be perfect if we placed them facing a lake or mountain. This would make a great focal point for the room. And then that 10-foot deep wraparound deck really helps to extend the main living space to the outdoors. The master bedroom is a decent size 17 by 13, but since this floor has a 10-foot wall plate, the space will feel bigger than it actually is. Now the master bath has a shower, double sinks, and a large walk-in closet. There's also a half bath off the main floor for guests to use and a washer and dryer on the main floor as well. Upstairs we have two smallish secondary bedrooms that are vaulted to make the space feel bigger. Now those two bedrooms share a full bath with tub and shower combination. So let's take a look at some of the rough costs to build this house as an owner builder. And as with our other videos, we won't be considering the lot or land costs here. And these cost numbers are based on national data. Your local costs will vary based on trade and material supply, your chosen finish level, the local building codes, and any required lot preparation that you have. So if we build this house with an unfinished basement, we'll end up with a total rough cost estimate of $273,000 or $154 per square foot. Now, if we go ahead and finish the basement with those trade contractors, we would have a total cost for the house of $323,000 or $117 per square foot. Now, keep in mind, this house plan doesn't have a garage, so if you need it, you could rather easily add a carport or a garage off that right side of the home. So this house plan is easy to build, provides a huge bang for your buck. So if you'd like to know more about this house plan, you can click on the link in the video description below. Now that's it for today, guys. This is Michael with ownerbuilderclass.com.